As far as I remember, I was born with a broken leg and a hernia, of all things. I got scoliosis, that's the S shape. I got lumbar lordosis, which is the forward tilt of the pelvis. I get scared like any day I could just fucking die.
How do you kind of deal with these sort of things? Because, it's not easy.
These people's opinions are irrelevant and we're all going to be dead anyway. Just do what you need to do the shit you want to do, and just live your life the way you want to live it.
He was born with brittle bones, took his first steps at 4, and ditched the wheelchair at 16. From getting bullied in a small New Zealand town to starring in feature films, rapping in his home studio and redefining what strength looks like. Brody Gillar's story isn't just about resilience. It's about rewriting the rules when life hands you a stacked deck. What is the one cheat code that you reckon you've unlocked, right, in your life now, living up to where you are today, that you could kind of go back and tell your 18-year-old self?
Say what you want to say and do what you want to do, because one day you're going to be